Hi, I'm Sarah, the Outreach Manager for Ben, and today we're in Walsall Wood Tyres to look at different ways that you can incorporate everyday exercises into everyday life. And we've got one of the techs who's going to take part in that with us today. Could you just come out and introduce yourself, please? You're obviously going to support us today and take part in doing some everyday exercises to show different ways to incorporate and improve health and fitness in your everyday lifestyle.
So, my name's Daz and I'm one of the vehicle technicians.
So what we're going to do is take the oil drums and convert it into doing essentially a farmer's carry. So what I need you to do is you pick them up, bend at the knees and make sure you've got an even distribution. So one in each hand, and then literally head up straight and just keep walking evenly along the length of the garage and back up again. All right? Comfy?
Okay.
Let's go. Right, now you can do a stop and turn and return. Lovely, thank you very much. Right, so next we're going to go over to your parts shelves, all right? And let's go for an exercise over here. So for instance, if you're getting something from here, we can turn that into simply doing a squat into calf raise, all right? So you'd stand, feet hip width apart, all right? As if you were going into a seated position to squat. All right, and then as you stand back up, I want you to lift your heels to do your calf raise. I reckon you can probably do that 5 times. And then straight back. Perfect, thank you. I can get whatever you like off the shelf. Right, so this time what we're going to do is we're going to do push-ups, but against the wall. All right, so if you face the wall, obviously give yourself enough distance so you've got a bit of movement as you go in. Hands up, shoulder width apart, all right? And then what you want to do is obviously ease yourself towards the wall and then back out. I reckon you can probably do 5 of those again. Yeah. Amazing, thank you very much. So it's as easy as that to incorporate everyday exercises into everyday aspects of life, so be it work, doing something at home, things like that, and it's those small steps that count.